Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to change ringtone on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. In the Sounds and Haptics menu, look for Ringtone and tap on it. Here you'll see a list of all available ringtones on your iPhone. As you can see, my current ringtone is set to Reflection. Now, tap on Classic to view the classic ringtones. Scroll down and find Opening to select it. Once you tap on it, you'll see a check mark next to it, indicating that your ringtone has been changed. And that's it. Your new ringtone is now set on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.